Right, hi, my name is Sean Cole from Deadlift Fitness, and in this 4-week video series, what we're going to talk about is pain and discomfort that you experience in the gym when you're doing certain exercises. One exercise that a lot of people do in the gym is the deadlift. And what the deadlift can bring on is this lower back pump that we also feel when we're in the gym. Also, the kettlebell swing, which Chris is going to demonstrate, will bring on the same lower back pump that you're often going to see in the gym. So quick demo. Now, the reason we get this lower back pain is from a lack of core strength. And when I mean core strength, is every muscle that's attached to the pelvis. So you've got the front of the legs, the bum, the front of the body, which is your abs, and your lower back. If they're uneven, imbalanced, one's tight and one's not so tight, you're going to get this lower back pain. So what we're going to do now is show you a couple of exercises that can alleviate this back pain in the gym. Right, so the first exercise we're going to show is a little mobility exercise called the Spider-Man lunge. So Chris is going to do it here. You'll see he's in a nice balanced position. He brings one foot up close to the hand. If your foot isn't making as close to the hand as it should do, you've got a lack of mobility through your hips, so this can bring on the back pain. And the next one that we're going to show you is something that we use to activate the core or the front of the body, the abs, because we found that this, when you're doing it properly, is going to take that sort of dull ache pain away from the back, because you're activating this part of the body, therefore making this relax. Right, if you've got any questions about what we do here at Deadlift Fitness, anything about the 4-week video series, tune in next week where we're going to talk about shoulder pain.